Here we are, it's November, and we've been receiving so much positive feedback about the work and the communities of practice, especially around the Math Fix and how you're sharing them with your students and the discussions you're seeing in your classrooms. So please keep that coming, but without any further ado, here is our latest Math Fix.
Today's Math Fix centers around 8.ee.7, solve linear equations in one variable. This Math Fix deals with linear equations, but in a less traditional sense. The initial problem is simplistic, but it can be used for many more extended conversations. In this Math Fix, students are given a model of a balanced mobile and asked to find the missing value of x that represents the entire value of all the shapes below. This may be a really unique look at algebra for some students, so a lot of help may be necessary when you begin up front. The shapes are grouped in this first task to make the solving easier and accessible for the students. Writing equations with variables may not seem valuable at this simple problem, but it will build a skill needed for the more complex puzzles later on. The initial problem gives us that a circle has a value of 4, so the string of 3 on the right is valued at 12. With that string of circles equaling 12, then the triangles must be also valued at 12, so the mobile will balance. So the 4 triangles valued at 12 means that each triangle is 3. Triangles and circles equal 12 each, so together they are 24. This then gives us the sideways squares having a total of 24 as well, and each sideways square has a value of 6. Putting it all together, we get 48 for x and the overall mobile total. Again, it may seem simplistic to use equations for this, but can we solve this by using just one equation? We can see here that we can write the original equation in terms of sideways squares, triangles, and circles, and eventually filter it all the way down to just a simple equation written only in circles, which we plug in our 4 for and get our total right away. Now that your students have hang of this, then you can extend it by giving harder problems like this one. They can even create their own puzzles or work on turning equations into their own mobile models. This is all very good work in helping students see algebra and the relationship between the terms. They can move pieces around visually on the mobile as they practice procedurally as well. This can be such a valuable tool, so explore and really enjoy.
Well, that's November's Math Fix. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being involved in all of our Math Fix this year. Keep that feedback coming, and we'll see you again in January.